Hi everybody, this is Al from Al's channel. As you can see, I'm on a computer program called Magix Music Maker Premium, right? I've had this a while, right? It's a great program. There's nothing wrong with the sounds. I've recorded on this before. Awesome. Sorry, this is just giving us an offer. Um, Basically, you can do all sorts on it. It's also got a USB, which you can't see, USB keyboard that works. I'm a musician, so I can, put stuff in, etc. The frustration I've got is the following, right? I've recorded something, and when I go to load project, right? This is what I get. So I go in here, I call them silly names just so I can remember them. Music Maker 2 is another folder I created with music stuff in. I've got Music Maker 1. You go down, obviously there's all sorts of silly names. This one here is the one I have called this particular one. And when I do it, look what happens. Music Maker Premium V24 doesn't work anymore. Send a report to Magix, which you try and do and they don't get back to you. Close program, which is the obvious choice because it won't do anything else. Continue program not recommended. It won't happen because at the end of the day, it will not work still. Forward error to Windows, it still doesn't work. So I close program and I'm back to square one again and I have to go back into it. Such a frustration, guys. If anybody can tell us how I can get the best out, fix this on Magix, please tell us, because their customer services, although their software is awesome, their customer service is absolutely shocking. Thank you, guys. I'll catch you later. Subscribe to the channel if you can. I'll have a go at this again, but it's not going to work. I know it's not. So if you can